All right, today I'm pretty excited to announce we have a brand new product. It's first of its kind that I'm aware of, doesn't exist anywhere in the world, and it is a brand new universal clutch pulling tool for Polaris UTVs. What makes it universal? This puller works on all Polaris UTVs that have a 900 cc and larger engine. That means all the way back to 2011 XP 900, all the way through to today's date with the Pro R and everything in between. So if it has a 900,000 turbo or even the Pro R engine in it, it works on every single primary clutch there is in there. On the product description on the website, we'll list each and every vehicle in case you just didn't pick up what I was just putting down. But the cool part is you'll be able to have one puller in your toolbox instead of two for all these models. It's made right here in the United States. It is heat treated and then we plate it. And the cool part is we're going to drop price $5 over what the heavier puller sells today. So check them out on the website. Do not forget, Hunterworks belt, still best on the planet. And if you got any questions about it, Todd at hunterworks.com.